propels the sled around on the track, forward and reverse and everything like that. The axle ahead of that, that's the axle that runs the weight transfer business. That's the thing that runs the weight up and down or forward and back on the sled. And that's how they get these trucks and tractors stopped, by adding weight from the wheels to the front skid pan, they call that. And they got a lot of gadgets and a lot of things up their sleeve also. They got a transmission, they can run that weight faster or slower. They got a number of switches that the weight box travels over. Different little things happen, and trust me, they'll find a way to get your unit stopped. Ron Doeden, 76 Ford here.
$295 and $9.